for no reason at all. I took it out. I was sledding all day. My dad said that's enough. I couldn't stop. I was having so much fun. It got late. It got dark. It got cold. And I got sick. Dad got sick. What's it like to die? Like being born. Only backwards. I remember. I didn't go where I was supposed to go. I just stayed behind so my dad wouldn't be lonely. Is that your dad? Mm-hmm.
Now available to own on video cassette.
Dad, when are we gonna be a family again?
I'd say when the Angels win the pennant.
Williams and Norton collide, and the catch is blown.
Oh, they're bad.
I can't win with these guys. Nobody can. For anyone who has dared to dream.
God, maybe you could help him win a little.
And everyone with the courage to believe.
How do you do that?
Comes Angels in the Outfield.
No one can see me or hear me but you.
Do you believe in angels?
I believe in miraculous things happening.
2 angels came out of the sky and they picked up Ed Williams.
Great. A psycho kid.
I can feel some added power coming from somewhere. It must have been those chili dogs I ate before they
It's some kind of signal.
I'll go like that, okay?
You do that this time. Kid sees angels. You can call it angels. You can call it faith. You can call it whatever you like. Unbelievable! They gave the world something to believe in. I got nothing left. Got an angel with you right now. Even though you can't see us, we're always watching. Disney's Angels in the Outfield. From Walt Disney Pictures, the last thing Preston Waters expected was for the bank to cash his check. Now, the last thing he intends to do,
I worked hard to steal that money, and this kid's not gonna get away with it.
is let 3 crooks take the money back. Disney's Blank Check.
It might be easier just to steal another $1 million.
Rated PG.
There's special moments everyone remembers. The wonderful Disney movies your family grew up with. Now with the Walt Disney Family Film Collection, you can relive those memories and share them with your family forever. You'll experience powerful bonds of friendship in the heartwarming classic, Old Yeller.
I never saw such a dog. You will never see another one like him.
You'll discover a doubly delightful comedy, The Parent Trap.
Surprise! They switch places on us.
Join a family of courageous castaways in the Swiss Family Robinson.
There's pirates right here on our beach.
Meet a funny little girl who will steal your heart away in Pollyanna.
I found a reason for being glad.
Follow 2 extraordinary kids on a mysterious adventure in Escape to Witch Mountain.
You two got powers beyond belief!
And charge into non-stop action with Davy Crockett, king of the wild frontier. All the unforgettable stories that have brought parents and kids together for generations, now together again in a collection every family should have in their home. The Walt Disney Family Film Collection, now available everywhere.
And now, our feature presentation.